Hello, welcome back. Alright, welcome to my humble scrambled eggs. Now, this is not the right way to do it, this is just my way. I'm just trying to throw ideas out there for you guys. Okay, so first of all, I've got a couple of croissants. Now, normally I would just use one big one, but I couldn't get the big ones this time, so I've got little ones. So I'm just going to use two little ones. So cut them in half, big or little. Then I've got a little bit of mozzarella cheese. Close them up. Now I've already got my oven on at 180 degrees. I'm going to wrap them in alfoil and I'm going to stick them in the oven for 20 minutes. So I'm making this for one, but if you want to make it for more, just double, triple the recipe. Alright, grab a bowl, 3 eggs, a little dash of cream. I sliced up one little spring onion. So I've got one slice of bacon here that I'm going to chop up really small. You can, if you don't have bacon, you can do a slice of ham or you can do a slice of Fritz, or mortadella, or absolutely anything. And in she goes. Now you want half a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. Then we whisk it all together. Pan on medium, just a little bit of butter or margarine. Pour it in. Now the main thing with cooking your scrambled eggs is that you constantly scrape the bottom. It takes bugger all to cook. I like to stop it just before it gets dry. Which is right now, which is literally 1 minute later. Okay, one croissant, open it up. 2 croissant, I'll open that up on the top. Now I've got a couple of beautiful fresh cherry tomatoes there, so I've just chopped them up. Now scrambled egg on top. Salt and pepper. And if you're lucky enough to have parsley in the garden, oh, a little bit over that. And just like that, lovelies, you got yourselves a stunning little pick-me-up. So go on, treat yourself today, you deserve it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have yourselves an awesome night, and I'll see you soon. Bye!